Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. I just want to start off on the weekly because there is a little bit of concern, should I say. Top of channel, there's my channel. So we're top of channel at the moment, but if you just look at this level, look at how parabolic we're going here on the weekly. So for me, I am definitely more interested in waiting for a decent pullback. We've got the confirmations we need at the moment, so I suspect we're more than likely going to rally into the end of the year. So I've got those weekly levels in, and now what we want to do is have a close look on the 8 hour. There should be another 2 levels here. We'll give you the exact values in a little while, but you can see yesterday we gapped up and we just ran. There was a bit of selling that came in, would have been expected at those lofty highs, but week prior to data confusion, and then up, one pullback, exhaustion bar maybe, inside bar. There's no levels up here to talk about, so difficult to ascertain what it is. And for me, this diagonal is going to come into play. We need to keep it in on our charts because it's definitely going to come into play. But I suspect we're going to move, find support, and keep testing this diagonal. If it does break through, it's going to build a base above it and then continue gradually. Otherwise, it's going to try build a base, and then that base will fail and it'll drop back into the channel. Okay, so that's the higher time frame or the longer period view, and there is a bit of divergence here as well that's brewing. So very, very cautious on holding longs over weekends, very cautious of holding longs all through the day. So you want to be in and out during the day. So this is proper intraday setups that you're looking for. Now, there is another level, and I'm just going to put it in. And we drop down to the hour, and that's the chaos from yesterday. So you can see that's where the sellers came in, just to get rid of all the retail traders, all the weak hands, and then jump in at the bottom of the range, boom, make so much more money than trying to jump in on a move, just by being patient. Anyway, yesterday didn't really adhere to any of the levels. Hang on, maybe. It looks like it did. There's one of the levels we're looking at yesterday, and that was 41,791. While we're doing the videos, it was pretty much in this area where we're ranging, and we broke through. Tested the top here, pulled back, came back to test the next level, and then got going. So there were 2 opportunities. Probably one was a lot clearer than the other one, but for today, these levels are probably just as important as what they were yesterday. So let's just look at hindsight first. So this one wasn't really a decent opportunity. On the S&P, it also ranged, but then it broke through the range. Well, if I just fine-tune this level, do this. So once price got past the opening bar of the day, it was in play, and you can see we flirted with it. There's your engulfing / pin bar type entry. So above it, 70-point stop loss, to the next level at least 195 points. The next one was a bit clearer, so this one came back onto structure at 41.885 and broke through. But you can see how this diagonal is in play. Look at this chaos around it. That's why I say keep it on your charts. I think it's going to influence price for a number of days still. Okay, so that's hindsight. The levels are the same. So the diagonal is going to be around 4,200. So pay very close attention to that. If you defend that not during the European Open, but during the US Open, then you're going to have a quick squirt to at least test one of these 2 highs here. I don't think you're going to have a strong continuation into the weekend. I think you're going to have a bit of profit taking sometime during the day. So you want to get your trades in early, sort of halfway through at the lunch period, after the lunch period of the US session. I wouldn't be bothered with it. Anyway, it's for me, that's already into Friday evening, and that's the last thing I want to be doing is trading. So that's kind of my view. Wait for the structure. You've got 42,050, you've got 4,200, and you've also got 41,885, which would be something quite interesting as well. But that's what I'd be waiting for. Be very, very aware of what's happening on the 3 hour at least. You've got diversions brewing. You have gone a little bit parabolic, and you are at all-time highs with some serious volatility. And this week has been volatile. Look at these tails all over the place. So be very careful. Pay attention to that, and don't be greedy. If you're going to get in, have a clear stop loss and have a clear take profit, and get on with it. Okay. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.